tired of your Chromebook feeling like a messy desk with 1,000 tabs open? Stop closing them. Here is the secret to multitasking like a pro using virtual desks. Okay, first hit that show Windows key on the top row of your keyboard. It's going to be the sixth button on the top. And then you're going to hit that button, and then it'll like, so after basically it'll take you here, and then if you hit this +1 button, it's going to open this new tab. So basically what I do with this is if I want my new tabs to be here, I'll name it new tabs, and then this one random websites. Once you've done that, you could you're going to right click on the tab, and then move tab to move. You're going to click actually make a new group, and now this group, and now add all of these ones in the group, just like this. And then once you've done that, you're going to save this. You're going to move the group to a new window. Once you've done that, go back to your desk. Now drag this to the new tabs folder, and then you have these organized over here. And then don't use your mouse, and now you don't need to actually use your mouse. You could just click search, and then right bracket to go to this one, and then the left bracket to go to the one over here, and shift search, and then wait 1 second. I'm saying shift search, and then the apostrophe. Actually, it was shift search left bracket, and it was shift search left bracket and right bracket. So if you click shift search right bracket, it's going to move so look, if I get this here, and then I want to move it to the other one, I click shift search right bracket, shift search right bracket, shift search, wait 1 second, shift search, and then like that. It's simple, just like that. And now you can keep your schoolwork and your YouTube research totally separate. For more Chromebook tips, subscribe for more Chromebook tips that actually save you time. Peace.